Good day everyone, this is Jomar TV for another video, and for today we will talk about how to transform the equation of the circle from general form to standard form. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so i-recall muna natin yung equation of the circle. So, standard form, we have x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared, kung saan yung h at saka k, yan po yung center. And then, yung r naman po is yung radius. Okay? Sa previous video is, pinag-usapan natin kung paano tayo mag-transform ng equation of circle mula sa standard form, given yung standard form, papunta sa general form. So, ito po yung previous video natin. Ano po? Ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video na yon, is mangyari na panoorin nyo. Ayan po. Okay? Nakikita nyo naman sa upper right corner ng screen. Ngayon, sa video na ito is pag-usapan naman natin kung paano tayo mag-transform mula sa general form naman papunta sa standard form. Okay, so given yung general form, ita-transform natin yung equation sa standard form. Okay? So before anything else is, i-recall muna natin yung completing the square. Okay, so consider natin yung expression. Ano po? So x squared plus 8x plus blank. So mapapansin natin yung isa sa mga terms ng expression ay nawawala. So ang gagawin natin is, isusulat natin yung constant term so that yung buong expression ay perfect square trinomial. So, anong gagawin natin? Meron po tayo tinatawag na completing the square, kagaya ng sinasabi ko kanina. Ano po? So, ang gagawin natin sa completing the square is ganito po. Una, kunin natin yung coefficient ng linear term, which is x. Ito po yung linear term. Kunin natin tong coefficient na 8. Okay? Tapos meron tayong dalawang operation na gagawin. Una, i-divide muna natin sa 2. No? So, 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. Diba? And then, pagkatapos naman is, kunin natin yung square nun. Okay? So, 4 squared, that is equal to 16. So, ibig sabihin, yung lumabas na number na 16 is, yun ang ilalagay natin bilang constant term. So that, yung buong expression na ito ay isang perfect square trinomial. And kapag sinabi perfect square trinomial, bali equal siya sa square of a binomial. Okay? Ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa rin mag-gets yung completing the square is, mangyari na panoorin nyo muna yung video about completing the square. Again, nasa upper right corner ng screen or nakalapag na yun sa description yung link. Kasi yung completing the square is, yun ang gagamitin natin sa discussion na ito. Alright, so let's have some examples. Okay, so let's start. Rewrite or transform the equation of the circle to standard form. So ito po yung equation ng circle in general form. So i-rewrite or ito-transform natin yung equation sa standard form naman. Okay? To start with, x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0. So, ang first step dito, no, para ma-transform natin sa standard form, ganito po. I-rearrange muna natin yung terms so that magkakasama yung x at magkakasama naman yung y. Okay? Tapos, si constant term mahiwalay sa kabilang side. Okay? So, unay muna natin yung x. So, we have x squared. Then, plus 4x. Okay? Ayan. Magkakasama dapat yung pares na variable. Ano po? And then, plus blank. So, mag-iiwan tayo ng space dito for completing the square later. Okay? Then, plus, no? Y naman. So, y squared. Okay? Followed by negative 6y, no? Negative 6y. Okay? And then, mag-leave ka ng another space. Ayan. Like this one. So, nag-leave tayo ng dalawang space. Ano po? Then, equals, yung constant term na negative 12, ililipat sa kabila. So, that magiging positive 12 na siya. Okay? So, ngayon we have this one, no? So, nag-iwan tayo ng space para sa gagawin natin completing the square. So, paano nga ulit yung completing the square? Ganito po. So, una, kunin natin coefficient ng linear term, which is 4. Okay? And then, gawin natin yung two operations, divide and then square. Okay? So, una, divided by 2 muna. So, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then, squared mo. So, 2 squared is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, 4 ang ilalagay natin dito. Okay? Ayan po. And then, sa kabila naman, no? Okay? So, bali, ang coefficient ng linear term ay negative 6. Okay? So, negative 6. So, and then, gawin natin yung two operations, no? Divided by 2, tsaka squared. Okay? So, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Then, i-square mo. So, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So, 9 naman ang ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, we now have 4 at saka 9. And since nag-add tayo ng 4 at 9 dito sa side ng equation, mag-add din tayo ng 4 at 9 sa kabilang side. Okay? So, plus 4 and then plus 9. Ito po. Alright? Ayan po. And then, igrupo natin so that ma-identify natin yung perfect square trinomial. Alright? And then, since para silang perfect square trinomial, so, isulat natin as the square of binomial. So, kunin mo lang na yung square root nito, no? So, square root of x squared is x. Then, gayahin mo to, plus. And then, kunin natin yung square root nito, 4. So, square root of 4 is 2. And then squared. Okay, so we have x plus 2 quantity squared. And then for this one, kunin natin to, ito, tsaka ito. Okay, so square root of y squared is y. So maglagay muna tayo ng plus. And then y. Okay, square root of y squared is y. Then minus. Then square root nito, no, square root of 9 is 3. Ayan. And then quantity squared. Okay. And then, i-add natin itong tatlo. So, 12 plus 4 plus 9, that is equal to 25. So, therefore, we have the equation in standard form. So, kapag naka-standard form siya, mahanap natin agad yung radius at saka center ng circle. Okay, so bali ang center ng circle ay negative 2, 3, at saka yung radius ay square root nito, which is 5. Okay, so ito po yung sagot. Next, number 2, we have x squared plus y squared minus 12x minus 8y minus 12 equals 0. Okay, so ulitin natin yung steps na ginawa natin before. Okay, so una, i-rearrange natin yung term so that yung x squared tsaka x, no, yung mga x ay magkakasama, tapos yung y ay magkakasama din. Okay, to start with, x squared muna tayo, no, and then followed by this one, negative 12x. Okay, so negative 12x, ayan, and then plus, mag-iwan tayo ng space. Okay, ayan po, and then plus, so y naman tayo, so y squared, no, tapos followed by negative 8y, no? So negative 8y. Okay? And then plus another space naman. Okay? Then equals, ilipat natin si negative 12 sa kabilang side. So positive 12 po 'yon. Okay? Ayan po. And then ang gagawin naman natin sunod is yung yung tinatawag na completing the square. Okay? So for this one, kukunin natin yung coefficient ng linear term, which is negative 12. Okay, negative 12. So, negative 12. Then, gawin natin yung two operations, divided by 2, tsaka squared. Okay, so divided by 2 equals negative 6. No? And then, squared mo, no, negative 6 squared is positive 36. Okay, so 36 ang ilalagay natin dito. No? And then, sa kabila naman, we have negative 8y. So, kunin natin yung coefficient nun. So, negative 8. And then 2 operations divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So negative 4 po yun, no? And then squared, diba? So negative 4 squared, that is equal to positive 16. Okay? So 16 naman ang ilagay natin dito. Ayan. And dahil nag-add tayo ng 36 at saka 16 sa side na to, bali sa kabilang side, mag-add din tayo ng dalawang ito. So plus 36 plus 16. Ayan, di magkasya. So we have 12 plus 36 plus 16. Okay? And then i-group muna natin to so that we now have two perfect square trinomials, and then saka natin i-rewrite as square of binomial, no? So kunin natin to, ito, tsaka ito. Yung square root nito, tapos kopya, tapos square root nito. Okay? Yan lang ang kukunin natin, no? So, square root nito is x, then copy, then square root nito, 36, which is 6. Ayan. And then, plus, kunin natin to, itong symbol or sign, tapos ito. So, kunin natin square root ng parehong ito. Okay? So, square root of y squared is y, then copy, then square root of 16 is 4. Then, squared. Okay? And then, equals 12 plus 36 plus 16, that is equal to 64. That's it. Ito na po yung equation in standard form. So, x minus 6 quantity squared plus y minus 4 quantity squared is equal to 64. Okay? And with this, kunin natin yung radius and center. So, ang center ay 6, 4, at saka yung radius ay yung square root nito, which is 8. So, r is equal to 8. So, ito po yung sagot. Next naman po ay x squared plus y squared minus 10y plus 16 equals 0. So, i-transform natin to into standard form. Ano po? So, first, i-arrange muna natin yung terms. So, mauna muna si x squared. Okay? So, yun lang. Kasi wala namang ibang x terms dito. Okay? So, diretso na tayo sa y squared. Plus, y naman tayo, no? So, y squared. Then, followed by negative 10y, diba? Plus, mag-iwan tayo ng space dito. Okay? Ayan po. Then, equals, ilipat natin yung positive 16 sa kabilang side. So, we have negative 16. Ayan, negative 16. And then, next step is completing the square. So, y lang ang, may completing the square na magaganap. Tapos sa x, wala. Okay, so ito lang. So, bale, we complete the square here. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa negative 10y. So, kunin natin to. Negative 10. Diba? Tapos, divided by 2 equals negative 5 and then squared. Okay? So, negative 5 squared is positive 25. So, ibig sabihin, ilagay natin si 25 dito. Okay? And since nag-add tayo ng 25 dito, sa kabila, mag-add din tayo ng 25. So, plus 25. Okay? Ayan po. And then, i-group natin so that ma-identify natin perfect square trinomial, and then, saka natin i-rewrite as square of binomial. Okay? So, bale, ang next step dito ay ganito. So, copy x squared. Then, square root nito, copy, tapos square root. Okay? So, square root of y squared is y, then minus, then square root ng 25 ay 5. So, y minus 5 quantity squared. Okay? Equals negative 16 plus 25, that's positive 9. And, there you go. Ito na po yung equation in standard form. So, bali, ang center nito ay 0, 5, tapos ang radius ay square root nito, square root of 9 equals 3. Okay? So, this is the answer. Bago tayo magpatuloy, subscribe muna kayo sa YouTube channel para updated kayo sa mga math videos or content na i-upload ko, lalo na kung meron kayo natutunan dito. Alright, number 4, we have x squared plus y squared plus 14x plus 2y plus 30 equals 0. So, itatransform natin sa standard form. Okay, so first, i-rearrange muna natin yung terms. So, mauna muna si x squared, di ba? Plus 14x, okay? Plus 14x. Tapos, mag-iwan tayo ng space. Ayan, okay? Then, followed by a y squared. Okay, y squared. And then, pagkatapos nun, plus 2y. Then, plus blank. Ayan, so nag-iwan tayo ng dalawang blank for completing the square. Okay? Equals, yung positive 30 dito, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging negative 30. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin gawin yung completing the square. Okay? So, kung natandaan niyo yung completing the square, diretso na lang natin. Ano po? So, kunin natin itong 14 divided by 2. That's 7. And then 7 squared is 49. So, 49 po. Okay? Ilalagay natin, 49. Okay? And then, para sa isa naman, so, kunin natin yung 2, no? Then, divided by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Then, squared. Bale, 1 squared equals 1. So, ilagay natin yung 1 dito. Ano po? So, that we have 49 at saka 1 dito. So, of course, mag-a-add tayo ng 49 at saka 1 sa kabila. So, plus 49, then plus 1. Okay? Ayan po. And then, i-regroup natin. Ayan na. Pares na silang perfect square trinomial. And then, i-rewrite natin as the square of a binomial. Okay? So, the square root of x squared is x. Then, plus square root of 49 is 7. So, we have x plus 7 here. Then, quantity squared. Plus, ito naman, no, square root ng y squared ay y. Then, plus, then, square root ng 1. Okay? So, the square root of 1 is 1. Again, quantity squared. Okay? And then, sa kabilang side is, pagsamahin natin itong tatlo. So, we have negative 30 plus 49 plus 1. That is equal to positive 20. Okay? So, ayan na po yung equation in standard form. Okay? Bale, ang center ng circle ay negative 7, negative 1. Tapos, yung radius nun ay square root nito. So, ang radius is square root of 20 or kung isi-simplify natin, 2 square root of 5. So, ito na po yung sagot. Okay? Okay, so let's move on to the last one. 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 6x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. So, i-transform natin sa standard form. Ano po? So, since ang coefficient ng x squared at y squared ay parehas 2, so, i-divide muna yung buong equation sa 2. So, divided by 2. Ayan. Okay? So, cancel to pareho. Diba? So, that x squared plus y squared na lang siya, no? Plus, i-divide mo to, 6x divided by 2, that's 3x. And then, negative 2y divided by 2, so maka-cancel to, magiging negative y. Then, for this one, negative 3 divided by 2, so negative 3 halves. Okay? Equals 0. So, kung makikita natin is, naka-fraction siya, no po? So, dapat, yung coefficient ng x squared at y squared ay 1. Alright? And then, saka natin sundin yung process kanina. Okay? So, i-rearrange natin muna. So, we have x squared, no? X squared plus 3x, then plus blank. Okay? Iwan muna tayo ng space. And then, sa y naman tayo, no? Dito. So, plus y squared. Okay? Sumunod naman is minus y. Okay, minus y. Then plus space. Okay. Nag-iwan tayo ng dalawang space dito. Then equals, yung negative 3 over 2 ilipat sa kabila, magiging positive 3 over 2. Okay, ayan po. And then saka natin gawin yung completing the square. Okay, so dito natin isusulat yung kumbaga scratch. Okay, so first we have 3 here. So, kunin natin itong 3. Then, divided by 2. So, hindi siya divisible by 2. So, leave it as is, fraction. Okay? Ayan po. Tapos, kunin natin yung square nun. So, 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4. So, 9 over 4. Ayan po. Okay? And then, para naman dito, ano po, so, ang coefficient naman ng y ay negative 1. So, sulat natin, negative 1. Tapos, i-divide natin sa 2, then square. So, divided by 2, so, negative 1/2 na yan. Okay, negative 1/2. Tapos, squared. Diba? Kunin natin square nun. So, negative 1 squared is positive 1. Then, 2 squared is 4. So, 1/4. Okay? Ayan po. So, nag-add tayo ng 9 over 4 tsaka 1/4 sa isang side. So, mag-add tayo ng parehong fraction sa kabilang side. Okay? So, alisin na natin. Ayan. So, plus 9 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay? Ayan po. And then, i-group natin. And then, rewrite as a square of a binomial. Okay? So, kunin natin square root nito. So, that's x. Then, copy. Plus. Then, square root nito, 9 over 4. This will become 3 over 2. Ayan. Then, squared. Then, plus square root nito, y squared, that's y. Then, copy. And then, square root of 1 over 4, that's 1/2. Okay? So, quantity squared. Ayan. And then, for this one, so, magkakaiba yung denominator. So, dapat 4 din ang denominator. Okay? So, to do that, pagsamahin natin to sa isang fraction with their LCD, which is 4. Okay? Then 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Times 3 equals 6. Yan. Then plus 9. Then plus 1. Kasi 4 naman na yung denominator eh. So wala tayong babaguhin dyan sa numerator. Kaya ganito. Okay? Ayan po. So i-add na natin. No? So 6 plus 9 equals 15. Plus 1 is equal to 16 over 4. Okay? And 16 over 4, that is equal to 4. So, bale, ang equation ay x plus 3 over 2 quantity squared plus y minus 1/2 quantity squared is equal to this one, 4. Okay? Ayan po. So, bale, ang center ay negative 3 over 2, 1/2. Tapos, ang radius naman ay square root nito. So, square root of 4 ay 2. So, ito po yung sagot. Alright? So, that's all for today about transforming the equation from general form to standard form. Alright, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me also on my TikTok account. Stay safe, God bless, and as always, have a great day to all.